Hey, how's it going? It's Neil from the Pentatonic Way, and in this video we're going to check out way 3 of the yellow Ledbetter lesson. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, cool. So the chord voicings we're going to use over way 3 of yellow Ledbetter is going to start here on the E note on that E string. So that's the 12th fret. And we're going to use that first chord voicing, first major chord voicing there. It's going to sound like that. Now for the B, we're going to use this note here. That's the 14th fret on the A string. That's a B. And we're going to use that second major chord voicing right there. And for the A, we're just going to move that down a whole step. Right there at the 12th fret. And then back to our original E major on the 12th fret. Alright, cool. So that's going to sound like this. Alright, cool. So let's check out the shapes that we use over these chord voicings. Typically you wouldn't play these voicings way up high on the neck like this unless you were just kind of playing partial chords, just over a real breakdown or something. Or you already have somebody that's playing like the full-on chords and you just want to kind of add something in the higher register to, complement what they're playing, But where it really comes in handy is when we start adding the shapes to it. So for that first voicing, we're going to use the second shape of the pentatonic. That's going to start on the 12th fret, just like the chord voicing does. And that'll sound like this. That's the primary chord voice shape for that chord voicing. And for the next one, for that B major voicing there, that second chord voicing we learned, we're going to use the primary shape for that, which is the 4th shape of the pentatonic. That's going to actually start on the 11th fret here. So it'll sound like this. Alright, and we'll just move that down a whole step. So it'll be on the 9th fret. The A major. And then back to the second shape for that E major at the end. Alright, so let me jam on this for a second. This is a really cool area of the neck to solo on for this tune because it's right around the 12th fret, and that's just such a great place to solo on the guitar. So let's see how it sounds. Something like that. Is that cool change there? If we look at those two shapes between the first one and the second one, on that high E string, you have that shape, that note moving down from the 12th fret down there to that note there, the 11th fret. So you can do some cool like single note stuff. Just follow that E string down and back up to the E, you know? You don't have to like be tearing it up the whole time. You can really outline the sound of the chords by just playing single notes. They call those guide tone lines, something like that, where you can like, those are the notes that are most important in the chord changes to get it across that those are the chords being played. So, all right, cool. All right, cool. So that's how you play the chords and scales for way 3 of the Yellow Ledbetter lesson. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions, and I'll see you on the trail, man. Take care. Bye-bye.